I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check the dongle model and chipset so you know which driver to use. Once done, plug the dongle into a different USB port or a powered hub to rule out power or port problems. Make sure the built-in Y adapter is disabled in software so the system won't conflict. While the device is connected, open your system's device list so you can watch for recognition. This immediate feedback tells you whether to proceed to driver work. Next, uninstall any existing drivers and show hidden devices in Device Manager to remove stale entries. This prevents conflicts. Then download the correct vendor or chipset driver, sign drivers reduce OS blocks, and install in administrator mode. If available, flash firmware following vendor instructions because firmware can fix radio and handshake issues. Make sure to run OS network reset and use ipconfig or ifconfig to release/renew addresses. Finish by rebooting the system with the dongle installed, then connect to the correct SSID and validate operation with a speed test or file transfer to confirm throughput. Make sure power management settings are set to maximum performance so the adapter isn't suspended. If you still see failures, try the dongle on a second computer to isolate whether it's hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: if it works on another machine, RMA the device. If it fails there too, the dongle is likely defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.